Today I'm going to show you how to log into your broker account in MetaTrader 5. Alright, so what we're running here is a demo account. So if you want to log into one of your broker's accounts, you're going to go up over here, 3 lines, tap on manage account, and here you're going to click on the plus icon. Here you're going to look for your broker. Okay, so you can start typing your broker out. So let's just say we're going to use HFM. A list of your brokers with that name in it will come up. Okay, so whatever broker it is you're looking for, you'll find it in this list. I'm going to use Headway. You're going to go ahead, tap on this over here, and over here you are going to tap on the login password, the server, and the save password. In your broker account, you will get an email with all of these details in it. Your login and your password. This will be automatically generated. So this will be like a random set of digits. It will not be something that you set out yourself. So it won't be like your email address and your own password that you set for yourself. Then what you're going to do is go to the server, make sure that your server actually matches what the server name says in your broker. So if it's real or demo or whatever the server name is, make sure that it matches. And then if you want to save your password, go ahead, tap on the save password, and then click on login. And then you will find, once you go to trade, you will find your account balance over here that you've deposited into that real account from your broker.